With the number of confirmed coronavirus cases across India reaching 110, the authorities have introduced measures to reduce public gathering. People have been advised to practice social distancing and school, colleges have been shut, while some offices have offered work from home facility to their employees. Sports events are being cancelled while business meetings, conferences and several public events with mass gatherings have been put on hold for now. The authorities advise practicing social distancing so as to curb the spread of the virus. What is social distancing? Social distancing is a strategy to limit the spread of contagious diseases, in this case the COVID-19, the disease caused by the novel coronavirus. This is a conscious effort to reduce contact between people to slow down the spread of the virus. The objective is to slow or limit the speed of the virus through contact. How does it help? Health experts view social distancing as a mitigation and containment strategy. The idea is to reduce the chances of the virus from spreading from one person to another. In a country where public health infrastructure is already inadequate for its population, the outbreak can put a heavy strain on medical institutions and its staff. Moreover, slow growth in patients can be handled easily by healthcare systems. How can I make a difference? Every single person can make a difference. In South Korea, the authorities managed to contain the virus within the first 30 patients who were first detected. But the 31st patient before detection had attended public events, spreading it to thousands of people. Patient 31 went out to public places 4 times, during which she came into contact with a large number of people. Many of these people have now tested positive for COVID-19. How can you practice social distancing? This is for anyone and everyone. Even if you are symptom-free and not part of an at-risk group, there are some things you need to do on a personal level. Please avoid all forms of social gatherings. This means no restaurant hopping, no bar hopping, and definitely no house parties. Try to work from home if that is possible. If you are out in public, no hugs, no handshakes. Try to maintain a 6 feet distance from other people. And the most important, always wash your hands with soap and sanitizers. You may not know it, but your refusal to maintain social distance at a time like this could lead to possible sickness and in turn lead to you passing it on to unknowingly someone who is immunocompromised or elderly. Stay home. That's the best way to keep yourself and the society safe.